Hello, hello. So I wanted to. Somebody's messaging. Sorry. I wanted you to know that what we're going through right now is unprecedented. And if you're a light worker or consider yourself a light worker or someone that's carrying a lot of light, we're being challenged with some of the most dense, intense, insane shit possible. I can hardly even explain it. I know people that have been going through sheer hell. They have people attacking them. They have dense, intense things showing up, tons of fear showing up in their body. But we're all, even though it's intense or whatever, we're all kind of harvesting our little piece of cleaning up the collective, the stories that we're carrying inside of ourselves, etc. We're being asked to step into them. I'm having a lot of issues with banking right now and playing games with interest rates and other shit, and it's made it to the point where I cannot continue to participate in the fuckery. There's always a new rule. There's a whole bunch of stuff in fine print. There's a whole bunch of games that are playing. And it's they want to get paid first no matter what I require to live or whatever, and that is slavery, that is despotism. I don't know what else you want to call it, but it's bullshit. And we're starting to rise up and stand up. We as light workers are being asked to go into these things and burst them wide open from the inside out, shine light into them, look at things in new perspectives, shine out, call them into council, call them before council, getting the truth of the fuckery that's going on underneath it all being brought into the light so that these systems all fall apart in front of us. And then at the same time, we're having massive amounts of light being projected into the planet through solar flares. I just saw an M3.59 show up on my phone here. There's been M1s all yesterday, etc. So all this light is going in and it's washing us. It's literally pouring through us and forcing us to look at all this stuff. And the best advice I can give is anytime there's fear, take your power back. That's the clearest advice I can give anybody. If I'm in fear with money collectors showing up at my in my phone or text messages or whatever, I just immediately say, I take my power back from this. This is not legal. This is not right. And I move through it. And anything that persists, I take to my high council. And I've talked about that in past videos. But basically, just imagine that you have a big legal system that's supporting you in everything that you are, and you basically take in front of that legal system and assess whether or not it's divine law or it's earth fuckery. And there's a lot of fuckery going on. There's a lot of children, is all I can describe them as, is in entities that are getting away with murder and stealing from people and hurting them and harming them without any integrity whatsoever or accountability for what they're doing. And they're needing to be sent to a council where they can either be returned to light or they can be given a lesson or whatever they require to be able to move into the light for themselves. So we as light workers are being asked to do an unprecedented level of inner work and facing things and feeling uncomfortable, etc. People are showing up in our life as teachers to stand ground and create boundaries with. Just weird fuckery. You would be surprised to know how many people want to take what is yours because they're too afraid to do their own work. So they'll come into your system and start messing with you or play games with you to try and steal your light so that they don't have to do the work themselves. But each time that these people show up in our lives, we just set boundaries, we move past them and maybe block them or whatever we have to do to step out of it. We do not have to play with children that aren't listening or are not standing in the light. It's a bunch of craziness and fuckery as far as I'm concerned. We are moving through this. We are setting and creating a new reality. We are doing it. So what's your highest outcome in every situation? So if you're having troubles with debt or interest rates or whatever, let's change that and invert it completely and turn it into absolute abundance, that you have these large amounts of money that are feeding you and clothing you and giving you everything you need every day. Turn them around. You are the creator. You are the master. Take your power back. Do not let the system create for you or force you into low vibrations. Start to just say, no fucking way, this isn't going to happen. I am the creator of my reality, and my reality gives me abundance, and nobody attacking me, nobody showing up on my doorstep or trying to harm me or anything of the sort. No fucking way. And that's my birthright. And there's a bunch of entities and energies that believe that they could take this from me, and they've trained it since birth into me to make me think I'm wrong, or I think I'm not who I am. We are powerful kings and queens right here and right now. So stand into your power and say, this will not happen in my reality, and clear it. And you're going to clear it for everybody else. I did an activation just yesterday. Just go look at that. That activation is all about taking our power back. So keep doing it. And you're going to be surprised. Each time you take your power back, your birthright is returning to you. So that's what this video is about, is we are creating a new reality by the choices we're making, and not leaning into fear. Well, leaning into fear and not taking that fear on, going into it and creating affirmations that remove the fear and take your power back from whoever's using your power, etc. We are the light. We are shifting through this. We are changing the world by our choices right here and right now. So keep shining them. I love you all. And if you have some stories, or you want some to tell people how you've accomplished, either put something on your Facebook page and copy me, or put it in the bottom of this, because everybody's doing the work, and I want to see everybody that's doing it and honor you for what you're doing, because this is the world changing right here and right now in you and your choices. So it's not going to happen for you or whatever. We are the ones making the changes right here and right now in every choice we make. So I love you very much. Keep shining, and you got this. And if you need any help or support, just send me a message. We'll see what we can do. Love you all. Bye.